Have you ever noticed how the media shapes the way we see people, places, even ourselves? That's what representation is all about in media studies. Representation means how reality is represented to us through TV, film, adverts, music videos, even TikToks. It's not the real world, it's a version of it, carefully chosen and constructed. Think about adverts. Men often shown as strong and powerful. Women, caring, glamorous, perfect. Those repeating patterns, we call them stereotypes. And here's why it matters. Representation shapes how we see gender, race, class, age, identity. If a group is shown unfairly, or not shown at all, it can change how society treats them. Media producers make choices. What to show, what to leave out, how to frame the story, which means every representation is partial, and sometimes biased. So next time you're watching Netflix, scrolling TikTok, or sitting through an advert, stop and ask, who's being represented? How are they shown? And what impact could that have? That's representation in a nutshell. For more quick, clear media explainers, hit subscribe to Motion Bites Academy.